I want you to come over to my house. We'll hang out on my couch and we'll have a tickle fight. I wish.
Picture you on a falling star, wondering where you are. Do I ever cross your mind in the warm sunshine? She's from the city of angels, like Betty Davis, Christine and Gable. Never know what she needs to be. I fell for the girl that's on TV. At a county fair, she wore a green dress and everybody was there. I felt out of place till she looked into my eyes. Ooh, shook her head around 9 p.m. and I'm never gonna be the same again. If I ever had to be on a movie street, she'd be leading me in all my dreams. She walk into these snacks. I'm in a fly girl and I can't relax. The only problem is she's a movie star. Ooh, my friends, they don't believe me. If they could only see me, I could just be sounding cheesy. I think I fell for the girl on TV. In the glass she came, but I just wanna be there when she's down, down. I don't want her autograph, I just wanna call her up and make her laugh. If I ever had to be on a movie screen, she'd be hitting me in all my dreams. Walk next to me snacks, I'm with a black girl and I can't relax. The only problem is she's a movie star. Ooh, my friends, they don't believe me. If they could only see me. For the girl on TV.
Denise sucked the wolf. She lived in the city. I've never seen a girl that I thought was quite so pretty. And when I ever meet her, I met a star girl. And I watch her every day. I'm like, I can't.
Picture you on a falling star, wondering where you are. Do I ever cross your mind? She's from the city of angels, like James Dean and Gable. Never know what she means to me, to me.
So I'll picture you on a bright shining star. Cause everywhere I look, there you are, there you are. It's a girl in a green dress. She took my breath away. And now I look through the